Well done, Charlotte. Well done, girl. Louise, what did you think of Charlotte's performance?
Charlotte, you know, we've said from day one that you've just got such a recognisable, stunning tone that is unique to you. And you use it to your full advantage. You've taken a classic song, you've slowed it down, you've made it into something completely different. And you did the same with Foreigner, which is one of my favourites of the season. And you really have you've just got something really, really special. Your riffs were lovely and precise, your falsetto was lovely and pretty, your belt was really secure. It's one of the most secure I've heard, your belt right up there. So I just think I'm so happy I've finally seen you live, because I was so excited to see you live after months of videos. But yeah, it was a stunning, stunning performance. Well done, Dom.
Ricky, what did you think of Charlotte's performance?
Hello. Very powerful, Charlotte, very powerful performance. Like, see, your nerves were a bit at you there as well, weren't they? Yeah, because he was a bit wide-eyed. But nevertheless, big fan of Roxette, massive fan of Roxette. You've done him proud by stripping it back, making it your own. Nice vocal, love the vocal. I know you changed the words up a bit in there, but well done to you, because to a lot of people that probably wouldn't show. But as I'm a big fan, I know it word for word. But apart from that, amazing. Well done, sweetheart. I love your voice.
Kelly?
That was so beautiful. It really was just so, so beautiful. There isn't really much I can say because I haven't wrote anything down. And we all know I'm useless unless I've got a script in front of me. But I heard a little bit of that in rehearsal, but I mean, you've taken it and you've really put your own, your own influence on that. The way that you made it lower and took it down to suit your voice. I could just close my eyes and listen to you sing all day, every day. You've got one of those voices that just command attention. Your tone is it's just stunning. Everything about that performance. And I know you may have had a little bit of nerves, but compared to like previous seasons, I mean, that for you, that was, compared to the nerves that you've had, you handled yourself really, really well on that stage there, and you wouldn't have really been able to tell. You did so, so well. It was just beautiful. Well done.
Charlotte, yeah, I mean, it's the final. This is the first time we've all stepped on the stage in a long time. You've got to get comfortable in that. And for somebody like you, we know your past because we've seen what you've done in VOTV, and you would freeze on that stage when we first ever saw you. So this is a huge improvement. I can see you look more relaxed, things like that. You're letting yourself go with the songs more. Of course, there was a few parts that went a little bit shaky in that. There's no denying it. But we've got to look at you as a vocalist and what you were capable of. And we've always said it. We've always said it from day one since we've met her. This girl has got something more than special. This is one of a kind. And that's what you are. And I'll say it again, because even with the milkshakes and that, it takes nothing away from what you were capable of. You have something so, so special. And like I said, you come into this final tonight, and the first 3 quarters of that especially was bang on. I would have thought that was a recording being played. That's how clean it was, that's how polished it was. And then you went a bit shaky, but like I said, you as a singer, to me, in my eyes, and from what I've witnessed in Wales, you were more than just a good singer. You have something really, really special within you. And remember that. Never ever forget that. Stunning. Well done. Well done. Round of applause for Charlotte, guys.